Dear man, do you want to learn the secrets to building a fulfilling, adventurous, and deeply connected relationship with your woman? Stick with me because I'll be discussing 7 key lessons to building an amazing relationship. This will transform your relationship and deepen the bond between you and your partner. It's your girl Oliviera, and you're welcome back to Chat with Oliviera. If you're watching me for the very first time or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button to get to see more videos from me. So now let's get into the video. The number 1 lesson to take note of is adventure inside starts with adventure outside. One of the biggest killer of passion in a relationship is monotony. If your life together revolves around Netflix marathon or scrolling through social media during dinner, don't be surprised when the spark starts to fade. Real intimacy and passion thrive on shared experiences. For my partner and I, it's not just the grand vacation or date nights. It's about the little adventure we explore together, like working out or playing badminton on a rainy morning, or sharing some new ideas together, or even having a spontaneous open-air grilled meal at a local park. Now, this is not what everybody does, but it's something we add to our relationship to create fun, make life exciting, and foster deeper adventure. And yes, it takes efforts. He might not always be eager to step out of his comfort zone, being a reserved kind of guy, but as the leader in the relationship, he makes an effort. And if it's the other way around, where she's not eager to try some adventure, then it's your responsibility to guide her. And trust me, the joy and excitement of sharing these experiences will translate to every aspect of your relationship, including the bedroom. Plan something different this week, even if it's just a walk in nature, but just get out of the house, okay? And be fully present with her. Adventure is not optional, it's essential. Lesson 2. Stop playing games. Real women want real men. Forget the text her back in 3 hours nonsense. And if you're still playing this game, you're just being childish, and that's on period. And you are not ready for a mature relationship. A woman with your time wants security and not emotional manipulation. Be consistent, be honest, and if you're busy and can't reply her right away, let her know. There's no harm texting back telling her, babe, I'm busy. Can I get to you soon? If you're free, reply her promptly. Now, this is not about strategy. It's about respect. When you drop the games, you allow her to trust you fully. And trust is the foundation of any great relationship. 3. Water the flower daily. There's a saying, if you like a flower, pluck it. If you love a flower, water it daily. Your partner is like a flower, and your relationship thrives when you nurture it consistently. Compliment her genuinely and show her love in the way she understands best, whether it's words of affirmation, quality time, acts of service, or making her feel appreciated every day. Here's the truth, your efforts shapes her radiance. A woman who is loved and valued will grow. She'll be happier, more open, more vibrant. And if she's not blooming today, don't stop watering her. Be patient, and a light will shine again. Now, here's an assignment for you. Take a moment today, not tomorrow, today, and tell her something you love about her. Something real, something heartfelt. It doesn't have to be grand, it just has to be honest. 4. Be present and intentional. It's not about buying her expensive gifts. It's about the efforts behind your actions. Now, anyone can throw money at a relationship as long as it's available, and that's the truth. But not everyone can give genuine attention. 5. Lead with strength and confidence. Leadership in relationship isn't about control. It's about leading with love and confidence. When a woman sees that you can take charge in meaningful ways, she will trust you more deeply. This can be as simple as planning a weekend getaway or encouraging her to try something new that she's been hesitant about. Leadership is about creating shared experiences and stepping up when needed. Lesson 6. Build your own life. Gentlemen, your relationship is just one part of your life. If you're constantly hovering around your partner, you're not living up to your potential. Have your own goals, passion, and priorities. When you're focused on becoming the best version of yourself, your partner will respect and admire you more. And the final lesson to take note of when building an amazing relationship is to know that relationships have cause and effects. There is no such thing as luck in a great relationship. That couple you admire didn't just stumble into happiness. They worked for it. They communicated, they compromised, they prioritized each other. If you want a relationship where your partner admires and respects you, it starts with you being the kind of partner who deserves that admiration. Take responsibility of your actions and consistently show up for her. Gentlemen, relationships thrive when you approach them with intention, effort, and authenticity. Adventure together. Be dependable. Nurture her daily. Lead with love. And always work on becoming the best version of yourself. So, here's my final advice. Great relationships aren't built overnight, but they are worth every moment of effort you invest. Take the lessons from today and apply them with sincerity and commitment. So that's it, guys. If you found this video so helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your comments below because I would love to hear your thoughts about the topic. Until next time, I'm still your girl, Oliviera. Thank you for watching. Bye.